go somewhere.
So, where are you gonna go?
Anywhere? Somewhere in Odisha. Oh no! Hey, where are we going? Are we going to Chilka?
Yes.
Let's go. So guys, we are not actually going to Chilka. We are going to some another place just after Chilka. I can't pronounce the place's name, but we will take it as Chilka only. So Chilka is actually a lake and it is famous for birds migrating from other states or countries like Russia also, or in Ladakh some birds come and all like that. And the place which we are going right now is the same only, but the place is not like really good type. After going ahead of this video, you will get to know what type of place is this. So yeah, we will be going to for boating, but first we will get very hungry early, so we have to eat somewhere. Oh, I'm so hungry. I wanna eat. Wow! Wow! I wanna eat. Let's go eat. The brown ones are from birds which are migrating from Ladakh to Odisha. The black ones are coots, and I do not know from where did they come from, but I really like it. This is the Siberian crane and it is come from Russia, Siberia. I don't know how long it must have taken to fly for her. Most species of birds are gadwals. I do not know if I'm spelling it properly. And there are also other bluebirds and they are purple swampins. I really like them because they look really beautiful in those blue and purple colors. The name of this bird I do not know, but I think it's a Siberian crane only. Well, it looks like a crane only, so let's just say it as Siberian crane. Over here there are other species of birds and they are called as the northern pintail, and they must have migrated from northern sites where there could be very cold and they wanted to live in a pleasant climate. Because all of the birds only here have come to pleasant climate, as Chilka has a really pleasant climate. These birds have come from August, and when Chilka will not have really pleasant climate and become very hot or very cold, so they'll fly away again to their own states.
Underground jungle. Okay, it's not underground. I mean upper ground jungle. And that will be the end also. We already took half an hour or 1 hour to travel all around, and I see lots of types of birds like Siberia, and all of them have just traveled and migrating and all. Sunrise, dekha sunrise. Here's the sunrise.
Sunset.
Not exactly the sunset. The sun is still up. And what else can I say? Bye bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas also. That is all our trip to Chilka. We have completed our destination to see all the birds, and that will also be the end of this video. So thank you guys. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.